Ekurole. Nǹkan méjì péré lè mú láti sọ. Èmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan, mo rí Osmond Gbadebo gẹ́gẹ́ bí áńgẹ́lì tó ti ara èèyàn wá sáyé. Because bí senior colleague mi ṣe sọ Mr. SRND, Osmond ò kí ń ṣe èèyàn tó máa ń ka nǹkan kún ká ní bóyá àwọn àtẹ̀yàn jọ ní jàǹsìn bóyá wọn wá bínú within 2 minutes Osmond ti máa sọ fún ẹ pé má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣe yẹn mi láìpẹ́ mi nígbà mi ní ṣe mọ́ àgbo máa parí síbẹ̀ ni kò kí ń dìyàn sínú. Osmond ò kí ń ṣe ẹni tó máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣọ̀rẹ́ ojú tí ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣọ̀rẹ́ ẹnu. Mo wá gbàládùúrà fún ẹbí olóògbé pé kọ́lọ́mbà wa túbọ̀ rọ̀ yín lójú, kọ́lọ́mbà wa dúró sí ìyàwó àti ọmọ Osmond àtàwátà jẹ́ industry náà kọ́lọ́ túbọ̀ rọ̀ wá lójú kò sí rẹ̀ ẹ má bínú.
Prolific film writer, director, actor, has participated in numerous movies and has produced countless number of his own. His vast experience has seen him work with the who is who in the film industry to numerous dimensions. And also worked with Olasco as production manager. Osmond Gbadebo may not be among the richest in the industry, but he is a kind fellow who gave to a fault. There was never a dull moment when you are with him, even during the trying period. He would still reach out to his colleague and sold himself out to his profession. He is survived by his older siblings, some younger ones, a beautiful girlfriend, and a daughter. He is being missed already, as it would be a Herculean task to replace him or find his kind. We love you, but God loves you more, and He wanted you to return home at the age of 45, which you clocked last month, 13th May. May my friend's soul rest in perfect peace.
Osmond Gbadebo is somebody who is very dear to our hearts. I will first of all sympathize with the family. We lost a good man. We lost a brother. The whole industry lost a talent. Osmond is a bundle of talent. He's loved by everybody in the industry. I've known him for quite some time. Let me say like 25 years ago. We've been together, we have done so many movies together. Everybody, every actor there, or people working behind the camera will testify to the fact that Osmond is somebody who is never a sad person. Even till the last minute he left us. Osmond is somebody who is very generous, very caring. He has an open heart. He has a very big heart. He has a very generous nature. I just want to implore the family that Osmond is not someone who will be mourning. We should celebrate him because he lived a fulfilled life. He lived a fulfilled life. If anybody here is privy to the viral video of him